Hey guys, we are on the way to Kovalam and we just started from Barkala. It's almost 15-20 minutes. The road is really awesome. The weather is typical monsoon weather. Sometimes it's raining and sometimes it's just that's how it looks like. The Kerala is really nice place if you like nature and full of trees. So far the experience is really good. So enjoy this video, enjoy this journey. Hope you will like this video and please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hey guys, we are at Trivandrum right now. This is the capital of Kerala. We need to cross Trivandrum to reach Kovalam. On the way, it will take around 31 minutes more to reach there. This is the Kovalam beach parking lot. The parking lot is really nice, huh? You can just park there and enjoy the This looks like they have some nice shopping area. Maybe on the evening this place will be alive, definitely. That's the Kovalam lighthouse and it's really a long shopping area. I mean, evening I am sure this place will be alive. You can see it's nice to walk here. Yes, we are at Kovalam and we just purchased 2 shirts for me and 1 t-shirt. This t-shirt is really nice. It's Kerala and yeah, and there is another for her. And this shop is really nice. You can come here. They have good collection. Hey guys, we are on the way to Poovar. There actually our stay tonight. That's a 5-star property. We'll give you all the details of this resort. It's around the arrival is at 2:42. Right now it's 2:12, so still half an hour. It was showing 35 minutes from Kovalam beach. Kovalam beach, it was raining a lot. It was raining. The beach was really the sea was really rough. There are many places. I think it's better for evening walk and shopping and restaurant. So stay tuned and we'll have a brief of our hotel. We'll give you all the details of. Okay guys, the road is really smooth. You can see. Hey guys, we have reached Estuary Sarovar Portico. So this is a 5-star property and this is our tonight stay. The road looks really nice. I think we are inside the property. Yeah.
Welcome to Estuary, Sarovar, Portico. Namaste.
Namaste.
Welcome to Estuary, Sarovar, Portico. Namaste. You know your YouTube channel name?
Yeah, that's.
Scroll with my eyes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
They greets us very well. That's the big parking lot. I think this is the waiting area. It's a garden, I can see it from here.
Everything will be mentioned here. In your package, you will get complimentary breakfast and one major meal.
One?
Major meal. You can opt dinner or lunch.
Okay, yeah, right.
Then breakfast timing is 7:30 to 10:30. Lunch timing is 1 to 3 o'clock. Dinner timing is 7:30 to 10:30. Yeah. Then this one our reception number 500. If any requirement, you just call this number. If any housekeeping requirement, you just call this number.
Okay.
Then this one our restaurant number. We have 24 hours room service, but after 10:30 we will get only limited items.
Okay.
Sandwich, burger, like that. Then you will get evening 4:30 to 6:30 complimentary tea, coffee, snacks at nearby restaurant. Our spa extension number 625. Spa timing is morning 9 to evening 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Then you have complimentary boating time is morning 8 to 11, then afternoon 3 to 5 o'clock. Complimentary boating.
Okay.
Beach shuttle.
Oh.
If you want to go the beach by the boat only, we can go there. Yeah. We will arrange the boat also.
Okay.
आपके टाइम हो गया
Now 3 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
And Wi-Fi coupons also attached here.
Oh, sure. Thanks.
He will assist you.
Yeah. Thank you. How many acres property, you know? This is
Total 18 acres property, sir.
18.
Yeah.
Okay.
18 acres, sir. So this contains 3 pools we have.
3 pools.
Yeah.
Okay.
One is near to the spa. Sir,
Okay.
the spa is from here, the right side.
Right
Path
side.
is in
Okay.
the spa.
Okay.
One of the pool is on there.
Okay.
Then we have the outdoor playground.
Okay.
Here we have volleyball, then
Oh,
basketball,
outdoors
badminton.
games. Okay.
cricket, etc. Kids playing area is also here.
Okay.
We have 2 banquet halls. One is Neya hall and one is Poovar hall.
Okay.
Neya hall is this way.
Okay.
And we have 2 villas is there, sir. Inside the property we have 2 villas.
Villa. Okay.
One is with 4 rooms and one is with 5 rooms.
Okay. Okay.
This one is the 5 rooms villa.
Oh, this is the big one. Okay.
And this one is the second pool.
Oh, okay.
This pool is for these 2 villas.
Oh, this is there for them.
For
Okay, great.
Swimming suit or nylon cloth is mandatory. We have evening tea coffee is there. Complimentary tea coffee counter is there.
Yeah.
Near to the restaurant. I will show you, sir.
Okay.
Then we have gym and table tennis court. It's on that building top floor.
Oh, okay. Nice.
This is the second villa.
Oh, okay.
24.
This is 4.
Although we are selling these villas to the group.
Yeah, right. I mean, big group. Oh, okay. So the group they came just now. Okay.
Family or 5 families.
Oh, okay. 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 Great.
Otherwise, if you sell in single rooms, they feel like they're alone.
Yeah, I mean it's very much big.
The top floor we have gym and table tennis court.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
These are all rooms, right?
The renovation is
Oh, okay. Renovation is going on.
the second floor is the second boardroom and banquet hall is in place here.
Second floor. Okay.
And this is the view room.
Okay.
We are staying in the top floor.
Top floor. Okay.
This pathway ends in the restaurant, sir.
This is the way restaurant. Okay.
This is the public pool.
Mm-hmm.
I will show you. This is the public pool,
Mm-hmm.
and behind the hut there is a small counter.
Okay.
There is a evening tea coffee is supplied there.
Oh, that the at the end or?
No sir, end is the restaurant.
Okay. Okay.
And then behind this hut
Oh, okay.
is there.
Mhm.
Then our indoor activity area is here.
Oh, okay.
The small tent like that.
Okay. Oh, okay. That side. Okay.
Then boat jetty is there.
Mm-hmm.
That hut.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to go to the beach or mangrove boating,
Mm-hmm.
everything is conducted there.
From there.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to go mangrove boating, you just call before 20 minutes to the reception.
Okay.
We'll arrange the boat.
Okay. Your name is Arjun.
Arjun, yeah.
Yeah, nice. We are entering into that our room. That's a stereo view room. That's a premium room, and I'll give you a short room tour. You can see that's the entry, and left side is a cupboard. They have locker. Let's go to that restroom. This is the restroom. This looks pretty neat and clean and nice. Shower area. Luggage area. I think that's the minibar. It's empty at this moment. TV unit. Work desk. And
Can I please check the working around?
bed. Small chair. The interior is really nice. And this is the most important. That's our balcony. That's awesome balcony, and you can see the view. Such an awesome view. That's the room. Small sitting area for 2 people. Look at the view from this room. So this is 440 and we are just roaming around. This is the swimming pool. That's the building. That's our room. So this side, I think some indoor activities. You can go there. This is the place for indoor activity. Books. That's the beach. Hey guys, so that's our hotel main building, and there's so many coconut trees, sands, and this is the outdoor gaming place, and at the end you can see that's the restaurant, badminton court, This side, I think that's the another resort. That's Sequin Floating Restaurant. I think their floating restaurant. That concept is really nice. And there's the sea beach. You can see. So from our hotel, from their website, you can see from there they will start a boat, and which will just they have a very nice sitting place. That's the building. So this is the boating area. I think if you are taking a mangrove trip or take a boat to that part, the main beach area, then you have to take it from here. There's the restaurant. Hey guys, so these are snacks. It's at 5 o'clock now. That's the view from the restaurant. Hey guys, so it's sunset and sky is clear today. Look at this beautiful property. Hey guys, this Poovar island is really nice. We're enjoying this resort a lot. You can see the weather is really good. We don't have much cloud today and it's really enjoyable. If you are visiting Kerala, I'm sure you should visit here. I mean, this island is really awesome. And it's really near to the Kovalam beach, and Poovar is having their own beach. So I think that's the beach for their island, I mean for their resort. So I really recommend this resort and I really recommend these places. This really cool place. So enjoy with us. It's evening and after sometimes we'll go for dinner. So stay with us, subscribe our channel and enjoy with our video.